NASA suggests oxygen-generating plants for your home. NASA carried out the Clean Air study to investigate natural and practical techniques to filter the air in compact, unventilated areas such as space stations. Space has no fresh air, therefore they worried about their astronauts who stayed in these cramped places for a long time. Everyone knows that plants photosynthesize, inhaling carbon dioxide to make oxygen, but NASA thought they may absorb harmful contaminants from the environment. The NASA houseplant study made for few plants such as English ivy, spider plant, and chrysanthemum for the pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, ammonia, and trichloroethylene. Please note that pollutant exposure causes unconsciousness, comas, and organ damage only at very high levels, considerably greater than ordinary daily use of these items. Why did NASA study indoor plants? Due to poor airflow and ventilation in confined space stations, astronauts were more likely to inhale these contaminants and suffer severe repercussions. NASA used plants, which have been around since mankind began, instead of technology. A plant like parlor palm absorbed all the contaminants examined. Others, like the Boston fern, absorbed more selectively. However, all investigated plants absorbed formaldehyde. Can you use the NASA Clean Air study concept for your air cleaning at your home? The answer is yes, of course, since the study is done in sealed space station. How much space and how many plants can I have at my home? NASA advises 1 plant per 100 square feet, 9.2 square meters. NASA suggests 15 to 18 houseplants for an 1800 square foot home. If your plants are larger and more toxic reducing, you'll need less. Let us see what plants are NASA approved for living rooms. The Areca palm is beautiful, eliminates several NASA tested pollutants, and creates a lot of oxygen. It needs frequent watering, therefore it's a good living room centerpiece. It needs watering every 2 to 3 days and fertilizing every 2 weeks. Peace lily. An astronaut is currently hovering high above the planet, loving the beauties of the modest peace lily from their little, yet oxygen-optimized, space station. Money plants are great air purifiers and fantastic study plants. It purifies most contaminants described in this site. The leaves are harmful to humans and animals, so keep it away from pets and small children. Don't worry if your study has a little window, it thrives in indirect light. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks, or more often in sunny areas. As all plants need less water, you may only need to water it once a month in winter. Spider plants are safe for humans, dogs, and cats, making them ideal for playroom air purification. Make sure the plant is out of your child's reach anyway. You don't want to be down a spider plant because your toddler thought the leaves were yummy. Spider plants can remove xylene and carbon monoxide, a hazardous pollutant. Water your spider plant weekly, and don't worry if you overwater it, they're thirsty. Lady plant. NASA recommends the lady palm for bathroom plants. Also called bamboo plant. It can eliminate ammonia, a pollutant in many bathroom cleaning solutions, from the air. Long hot showers are fine for this plant, which likes humidity. Remember that natural moisture in the bathroom will hydrate your lady palm, so you won't need to water it as much.